Okay, so strontium 90 has a half-life 28 days. A sample has a mass of 50 milligrams initially. So that means the initial mass, M0 right here, is 50. Find the formula for the mass remaining after T days. So it's given us that it'll become half of this amount, and that'll take 28 days. Okay. Note that the M0 here cancels out. We get half 28k. We can ln both sides, so we get ln of half is equal to ln of this, which just becomes 28k. So k is equal to 1 over 28 ln of half. Okay, ln of half is the same thing as minus ln of 2. Okay, so because half is same as 2 to the power of -1, and by log laws that negative half can come down to the front. Okay, this is what we have. A minus ln of 2 over 28 is k. So therefore, our function, our mass function of respect to time is initially the mass was 50, so we can put 50 here, e to the power of minus ln of 2 over 28, okay, 28t. This is part A's answer. Okay, part B says how much mass is left over after 40 days. Okay, so we just have to replace T with 40. Okay, so we get approximately 18.6 so milligrams left over. For part C, how long does it take for the sample to decay to mass of 2 milligrams? So that means the final is 2. Initially we have 50. And we're solving for T now. Okay, so you can divide both sides by 15. You get 1 over 25. Okay, ln both sides, and we get ln of 1 over 25. If you ln that, you get minus ln of 2 over 28 times T. So T will be minus 28, so multiply both sides by 28, so 28 divided by ln of 2 times by this. Okay, so that 1 over 25, right, will equal to a minus of ln of 25. So that double negative will get rid of this negative. We have 28 ln of 25 over ln of 2. And we get approximately 130 days. Okay, so finally it tells you to graph the mass function. So the mass function is right here. Just write it again. Okay, so I know that this right here generally is going to look like this. So it's an exponential function. Instead of going this way, it's going to go this way because of the negative exponent. Okay, so let's replace t with 0, and we get 50. Okay, it's just a rough picture. 0, we're going to end up at 50. Let's say this is 50. It's going to pass through there. Right, this is mass, and this is time. Okay, because the fraction here is 28, I'm going to put 28, which is a little bit less than half, or a little bit more than half, so to put 28 there. Right. So 28 was half-life, right? Yes, half-life. So basically, it's going to shrink to half that amount, from 50 to 25 in 28 days. So with these 2 points, we can do a good sketch. You know the general shape of the curve looks like this, approaches the asymptote like that. So this is a general sketch of our mass function.